How to turn on dark mode. Are you guys facing issues to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp business application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp business application on a mobile device. Once you open the app, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this three dot icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, tap on settings. Once you click on settings, you can see multiple options available over here. To change the dark mode, now just simply head over to this option for chats. Click on chats. After you click on it, select this option theme over here. After you click on theme, you can see two options, light mode and dark mode. You are looking to turn on dark mode, right? Just simply select dark mode and click on OK. After you click on OK, dark mode will be turned on WhatsApp business application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp business application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.